Hello, friends. My name is Shane, and welcome back to my Relaxed English podcast for English learners. I'm wearing a Filipino shirt that my wife bought for me in the Philippines because today we are talking about three English words that actually come from Filipino languages. Watch until word number 3 because that one is one that we use very commonly as native speakers. The first one is yo-yo. And we know yo-yo is this toy. Maybe you have one. And it was popularized because a Filipino businessman who lived in the United States was selling yo-yos. So native speakers still use it. The second word is ilang-ilang. And ilang-ilang is the flower of a tree from tropical places. It is used for oil and perfumes. And the third word is boondocks, or shortened as boonies. This is a Filipino word. Boondock means mountain, and it refers to a remote place or maybe a small village where not many people live. For example, we as native speakers say, my grandmother lives in the boondocks, or my parents are from the boonies. It's very common to use that word. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.